brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our presentation on pet ownership for seniors over the age of 60. In this video, we'll explore whether having a pet is right for you by discussing the positive and negative aspects to help you make an informed decision. Owning a pet can provide numerous benefits for seniors. Pets offer companionship, reduce feelings of loneliness, encourage physical activity through walks, and can even help lower blood pressure and stress levels. Pets can serve as emotional support, providing unconditional love and comfort. They help improve mental health by offering a sense of purpose and routine, which is especially beneficial for seniors living alone. Having a pet can enhance social interactions. Pets can be great conversation starters, helping seniors connect with others in their community, whether through walking their dog or visiting pet-friendly areas. While pets offer many benefits, they also come with responsibilities. Seniors need to consider the time, effort, and financial resources required to care for a pet, including feeding, grooming, and veterinary visits. Pet ownership may pose some health risks, such as allergies, injuries from pet bites or scratches, and the physical strain of caring for a pet. It's important to assess these risks based on individual health conditions. Selecting the right pet is crucial for a positive experience. Seniors should consider pets that match their lifestyle, energy levels, and living situation. Low-maintenance animals like cats or small rodents might be ideal choices. Cats are popular among seniors due to their independent nature and lower maintenance needs. They require less space and can be left alone for longer periods, making them suitable for those with a quieter lifestyle. Dogs offer active companionship and can encourage seniors to stay active through regular walks and playtime. Different breeds have varying energy levels, so it's important to choose one that fits the owner's activity level. Besides cats and dogs, there are other pets that are easy to care for, such as fish, birds, and small rodents like hamsters or guinea pigs. These pets require minimal space and maintenance, making them ideal for seniors. Before deciding to adopt a pet, seniors should evaluate their ability to meet the pet's needs and consider their own health and lifestyle. Consulting with family members and veterinarians can also help in making the best choice. Pet ownership can be a rewarding experience for seniors, offering companionship and numerous health benefits. However, it's essential to weigh the responsibilities and potential challenges to ensure a harmonious relationship between the pet and the owner.
This video was brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out all of our other videos.